Good morning, students. In today's session, we are going to start with unit 2nd of part A. Your subject is your marketing, and unit name is self-management skill. What is self-management? It means also known as a controlling on yourself. It means self-controlling. It is the ability to control the emotions, thoughts, and behavior effectively in a different situation. If situation is critical, then how to behave. If situation is simple, then how to behave. To manage all such type of situation is a part of self management, and this also include motivating oneself and setting goals. People with strong self management skill are better in doing certain things better than others. Generally it happens if you are a good manager, you are managing your life as per your requirement, you are able to taking the decision on right time. It means you are a good decision taker and you are a self manager, so you can perform better than others. Therefore employees too strongly prefer people with good self management skill. What is the basic of self management? What can we include? The basic of self management include to work at a proper time. Life is general. You must be able to manage and improve yourself in various skills like your discipline, your timelines, goal settings, problem solving, teamwork, professionalism, and all such things that are the part of your daily routine life. Once you develop your personality or you have the ability to do all management of these things, it means you are a good manager, or as you will be able to success in a personal as well as professional life. And these are some skills like self-awareness. What is self-awareness? How much honest you are. Ask for honest feedback. Gather insight of your personality and your work specific proficiencies. If you are speaking, I am a manager, I am working as a team leader in a company, so how much honest you are about your job. Think about your daily interaction and how you handle situations as well could have handled them differently. And responsibility, it means how much responsible you are for your job. Taking responsibility for your task is very important. Taking ownership is a step toward self-development. It means if you are running any business, how much you are working as a owner, how much ownership you are having. If you have been assigned a task by a teacher, ensure that you take complete ownership. It means you are the owner for that. Even if you are unable to complete the task on time, you must report it and then correct it. This is the responsibility. Third one is time management. Prioritize the things that you have to do. It means that things are not required. Remove these all waste and redundancy from work and make a timetable and follow it diligently. And adaptability, how much you are getting. Stay current with best practice and read up on new information always. Prepare yourself for new challenges, new changes, so you can transition seamlessly. Now, session 1 start. Session 1 is your stress management and what is stress and how to manage. Have you ever felt worried that you will not be passing an exam? Do you feel pressurized when people around you bring up certain topics for discussions? Do you fear that you will be unsuccessful in life? If yes, then you are going through stress, and stress motivates you to achieve some more. But when you are under stress of a prolonged period of time, it can cause health problem also and your mental problem also. Now, what is stress? Stress can be defined as our emotions or emotional, mental, physical, and social reactions to any perceived demand or threats. And these demands or threats are called stressors. Stressors are the reason for stress. For example, you are too close to the exam but feel unprepared, so you will be in stress. You are experiencing a loss of someone close in a family, like some family member is no more. In that case, you can also move in a stress. You are worried about what people would think about you. This is also a part of stress. You are stressed due to lack of sleep. Many more types of stress could be there. How to manage the stress is the part of stress management. Managing stress is about making a plan to able to cope effectively. It means to prepare a plan accordingly the situation in daily life, in daily pressure. The ultimate goal is to strike a balance between life, work, relationship, reactions, relaxations, and fun. And by doing this, you are able to deal with that. With daily stress triggers and meets these challenges can handle. Always keep in mind three concepts are A, B, and C. What is A? A is adversity. It means the stressful event. B is the belief. It means the way you respond to the event. And consequences represent C or action, how much action you are taking or outcomes of your event. Stress management can help you to having an enjoyable life. You can focus and complete task on right time at right place. You will be happy. You will be happy in your life also. You will be a happy person and your life will be stress free and you will be more energetic and spend quality time with your friends and family. These all are the benefits if you are stress free in your whole life. So 3 steps to manage stress are: step 1, be aware that you are stressed. Why you are in stress? Look out for signs of stress such as headache, sleeplessness, sadness, excessive worrying, nervousness, etc. So find out where you are in stress. When we are aware, we can manage stress. Second is identify what is causing you stress. Finding out the reason why you are in stress. Is it because of exam? Is it because of family pressure or money issue? And third one is apply stress management method. Use time management tool to manage your time well. Focus on important tasks and get them done. And talk to someone close about the particular issue due to which reason you are in stress. Next is management techniques. Here are some few simple stress management techniques we will discuss. First one is time management. Proper time management should be there. Then you will be most effective stress relieving technique. And physical exercise and fresh air. Healthy life is the life essential for student life also or for old age person also. Stress is generally low in people who maintain a healthy routine, maintain a healthy life like by doing yoga, meditation and sleep breathing, exercise, health in proper blood circulation and relax your body on daily life and become more active. Take fresh oxygen. Third one is healthy diet. Having a healthy diet will also help you to reduce the stress. Eating balanced diet such as dal, roti, vegetable and fruits in daily life that will give you the strength to your daily life effectively. And positivity, focusing on negative aspect of life will add more stress. So instead them learning on positive fact. Learn to look at the good things and stay positive. For example, instead of feeling upset or scoring less in test, try to maintain a positive attitude and look at the ways how you can improve your next time. Next is organizing academic life and note delays. By keeping class notes organized, finished an assignment on time, keeping track of deadlines, stress can also be reduced. And sleep, proper sleep should be there. We should get a good night sleep at least 7 hours so that your brain and body get recharged to the function better the next day. And holidays with families and friends. Going to a relative place such as your grandfather, grandparents, or a new place during your summer vacation can also help you break free from normal routine life and you will become back afresh. Next topic is ability to work independently. Independently means you are self-dependent. If you can become a calm and relaxed person, you will be have the ability to work independently. It means you can work your own behalf. Becoming self-aware, self-monitoring, self-correcting. Knowing what you need to do. Taking the initiative rather than being told what to do. And recognizing your mistakes and not blaming others. And having the ability and the will to learn continuously. Now, emotional intelligence, what it is? Emotional intelligence is the ability to identify and manage one's own emotions as well as emotion of others. It is generally said to include at least 3 skills: emotional awareness, harshness emotions, and managing emotions. Emotional awareness, the ability to identify and name one's own emotion. Rationing emotions, the ability to harness and apply emotion to tasks like thinking and problem solving. And third one is managing emotion, the ability to regulate one's own emotion when necessary and help others to do the same. Next part is on the contrary. For example, one example is there. Let's take an example. Ravi and his best friend Shiv. For managing emotion, one example is there. Ravi and his best friend Shiv have been practicing for the annual school dance competition and they are both performing solo. On the day of the competition, Shiv wins. Ravi felt extremely sad and dejected. He shouted at Shiv unnecessarily, cried, and he also didn't talk to his parents for 3-4 hours. And on the contrary, if Ravi would have been emotionally intelligent, then he would have accepted defeat gracefully and done better in the next competition. Being emotionally intelligent enhance your chances of success and a balanced life. And some steps to manage the emotions in your daily life are like understand your emotions. Observe your behavior and note the things you need to work on. You can then work on the things you need to improve. Rationalize. Do not take decision abruptly. And practice do meditation and yoga to keep yourself calm. Next part is session 2, self-awareness. How much aware about yourself? Know yourself. Who are you? So being self-aware means that you can identify your strength and weakness. To find out the weakness and strength, you need to work on your whole life. What feature you are having, where you are strong, where you are weaker. So knowing yourself, understanding who you are, what you like, what you dislike, what is your belief, what are your opinion, what is your background. Everything is the part of knowing yourself. Strength and weakness analysis. Under who you are mean looking outside your usual characteristics such as your name, qualification and interpersonal relationship. In other words, being self-aware actually means knowing your inner strength, hidden talent, skills and even weakness. It means you need to find out what the feature you are, what is your study level, what is your hidden talent, how to find out your qualities. These are the part of strength. And weakness that you can't do. Example of strengths are given like I am good at creative writing. I am confident on speaking in front of audience. I play guitar very well. These are the strengths of a person. While the weakness like I find it difficult to solve mathematical problems. I would like to speak English fluently. I don't like to lose my weight. More are there. Like with example you will understand. By understanding ourselves we can do, know what we can or we can't, and based on that information we can plan the next step to improve ourselves, and by improving we will become confident what we do. These all 3 steps are the part of managing your strength and weakness. Technique for identifying your strength and weakness. Finding strength, think of anything that you are always success at. Think about what others like in you. Take out time and think about what you will do in that time. And finding weakness, find out the area where you are struggling and the things you can find difficult to do. Look at the feedback others usually give you. Be open to the feedback and accept your weakness. Don't be in stress without feeling low about others, and take it in the area of improvement. And you can find out your strength and weakness once you find the answer to get the given here. Like how am I different from other? What do I do better than other? And what do other people admire in me? What make me stand out? Where do I worry and struggles? Where, how and why to do other better than me? So what advice for improvement? These all are the parts. So difference between interest and abilities. Interest, things that you like to do in your free time that make you happy, while abilities and acquired or natural capacity, and things you are curious about or would do even if no one asks you to do it. This is your interest and enable you to perform a particular job or task with considerable proficiency. It is your ability. And another interest is like thing you want to learn or would like to do in your future. And when you are interested to do on match your ability, you can either improve your ability as follows your path. Thank you. Have a nice day.